Trust me, I know how you feel, right? I do know how you feel when you keep uploading content and those content are not going anywhere. When you keep uploading content and you feel like this content are normal content that people have already uploaded, and you recreate those content thinking that those content can go viral, and those content are not going viral, they're just sitting pretty on your YouTube channel. It feels discouraging, it feels annoying, it feels a lot of things, right? So I really do know how you feel. I also know how you feel when you lost your channel. I lost my channel with over 16,000 subscribers, but the only thing I know I never did was to give up. Guys, I monetized my third YouTube channel today. It simply means 1 naira, 2 naira, $1, 0 cent is definitely going to be coming directly from my YouTube studio down to my account. And you can also be among those people that will also be doing same for yourself. YouTube is not something that you should just do because you are doing it. It's something that you are doing because you want to get paid. If it's not because of the payment, trust me, a lot of people they would have gone. A lot of people will have been like, oh, I'm doing this, there's no view. And one beautiful part I love so much about YouTube is 100%, what I mean 100% better than most of your social media platforms here. I'm telling you for experience. Like YouTube, if you know how to keep YouTube rules and regulation, you're not even going to have any issues at all. You understand? But when you don't know how to keep YouTube rules and regulation, that is when you're going to be having issues. So YouTube is a whole lot easy. The only thing is getting just that one code that can crack all your desires on YouTube, and you are definitely going to get one video picked up on this channel that changed all the history of this channel. And that same thing can happen to you, that one video can actually pick up on your channel and change all of the history that is happening on your channel. You don't just need to give up, no matter how hard, no matter how difficult it is. I'm always going to be here to tell you the honest truth that YouTube is not as simple as it is. If I want to even use myself as an example, I got a job. This is it. You can see my laptop here. I got an influencing job and I'm done with this job. But my payment, not like they don't want to pay me, they are willing to pay. But because I have some, some countries will tell you paper and the rest of that, my payment has just been doing like this until I was able to figure it out this morning and I got my payments. You understand what I'm trying to say? It simply means the problem is not even only coming from YouTube. It's also going to come from other sources, which are going to be standing as obstacles that will make you not to be uploading on YouTube. Probably sometime your own might be, oh, my phone camera quality is too bad. I have a camera if you don't know. If you're just coming to my channel for the first time, I have a camera, not be my camera. This is worth millions. But at the end of the day, what did I do? I'm filming right now as I'm talking to you guys with Redmi 14C. Android phone, that's what I'm filming with. What did I do? I just cleaned my lenses. I don't just want to always rely on my camera because I always know that there are days that I just need to put out content here, just like this content that I'm putting. And I always still tell you guys, don't let anything be your limitation. Another thing you should also put in your head is there are days that you feel like you don't want to do, you don't want to post, just rest. 2 days now, I have not uploaded on my channel if you know me, and I am not that kind of person. But I just feel like I have videos on my YouTube studio, yes, but I'm not that kind of person that whenever I put out my content, I'm not there. I just want to be always there. I want to be among the first set of persons that will watch my content. I want to be among the first set of persons that will comment on my content. I want to be among the first set of persons that will share my content. So because I knew that I'm a bit too, let me say, lazy, because I'm not going to say I'm sick, I'm not sick. I'm a bit too lazy, and I told myself, let me not upload. Friday and Saturday, I will not die. I mean, Saturdays and Sundays, I will not die. Let me just rest. I upload in other of my social media platform, but YouTube, I did not upload. You understand? So days like that will come, you go and rest. But days that you have all of the strength, the energy to do everything. I'm already saving one video already. You can see it here. I'm saving one video that I'm going to be uploading. I'll just upload and leave it in my studio until when I'm ready to publish it, I push it out. I bulk shoot, I bulk film, and those days will just come and I keep pushing. You understand? You just need to take it one step at a time, but in all the steps that you're taking at a time, you don't quit. That is why you are a content creator. That is why you are called a YouTuber. That is why you will hit your chest and tell someone that I am a YouTuber. Because there are some of this up and down that you've been going on. Some person's challenge might be, oh, I don't have mic. If you don't have mic, talk on top of your voice. Right now, I can literally tell myself that I am shouting because I just want you people out here to get what I'm trying to say. You get? I have a mic. You guys know. Not be saying I'm more, not be can't talk. I did not connect it. I have a dress code I always wear. I'm just wearing this green polo. And I'm still doing my video. It's not gonna stop the views that this video is gonna get. If this video is gonna get a million views, it's gonna get a million views. If this video is not gonna get a million views, it will not. You need to learn how to grow on YouTube. Growing on YouTube is very, very easy. The steps and procedures for you to grow on YouTube, they are very easy. And one of those beautiful steps I will tell you is one, master the art of consistency. If you're not consistent on your channel, you are joking. You are just still going to be among those people that will come back and be like, God, why me? Is it always me? I'm not always getting views. You're just going to be among those set of people that we always complain. You're just going to be there. Among those people that will be like, I beg, YouTube is YouTube, I beg, let me just go my way and do my thing. You get my point I'm trying to say? But if you master the art of consistency, even if you're seeing one view on your channel, you will still upload videos. Even if you're seeing 2 views, you will still keep uploading. Even if you're seeing 3 views, you will still keep uploading because you know that this is where your source of income is going to be coming from, even if not anything in the future. Another ways for you to grow on YouTube is doing what? Bringing out content that can blow up the minds of your subscribers, the minds of your viewers. We are plenty in this space that we are doing content now. A lot of people that are watching before are now content creators. And because they are content creators, it will be difficult for me to watch your content if I'm not in love with your content. It will be difficult for me to give you a like or share your video if I don't like you that much. Because you create content, I create content. So give me benefit of doubt, reason why I should click, reason why I should subscribe, reason why I should come back and watch more videos. Tell me reasons. Give me that space to see that this person is really trying all he or she could do to ensure that he's standing out there. Because if you check 99% of people that are complaining that are saying, oh, YouTube is hard, YouTube is difficult, YouTube is this, YouTube is that, there are people that at the end of the day, if you go to their channel, they don't care. They just film content anyhow and just drop it on YouTube. Is YouTube. YouTube is YouTube. Let me just put it and go my way. Doesn't work like that. Every single thing on your daily activities should be tagged as content. The earlier you realize this, the better for you. Every single thing should be tagged as content if you want to grow successfully on this YouTube street. If you want to maximize the profit, if you want to make money, if you want people to hear your name on this same YouTube street, you will learn to master the art that everything you're doing is content. When you're breastfeeding a child is content. When you're bathing that child is content. When you're going to work is content. When you're eating is content. Everything that you are doing is content. Just choose the one that you feel, oh, this one is right and this one is not violating YouTube rules and regulation, and put it out there. You must not be among those ones that say, oh, it must be tutorial. What if tutorial not favor you? Vlog favor you. You must not be among those people that will say, oh, it must be vlog. What if vlog cannot favor you? Let tutorial favor you. Let fashion favor you. You are ordering things from Tumi. You are ordering things from a lot of places. Unbox it. Review it. Let's see it. That's just the joy of content. You just have to have that fun in creating content. Then you can comfortably grow on YouTube. If not, you will not grow on YouTube. You will not grow on YouTube. So learn and master the act of growing. Learn what other people are doing and see why are those people growing. You will find out that it still boils down to this thing I'm talking about. They are consistent. Because they know that without consistency, they are not going to go anywhere. They're not going to be getting the money. They're not going to be getting the dollar to their account. So they just have to do it. So, and I hope you're among those people that will tell me that Vibe with Sonia, I'm picking up today and I'm starting exactly as you're saying. I am pushing out videos back to back. Comment in the comment section. I want you to see your comments in the comment section. Write it in the comment section and tell me that I am not giving up no matter how hard it's going to be. That is what I want to see in the comment section. Anyways, if you've not subscribed and if you're finding difficulties with your channel, I am always here to help you. Just with my mail, Faith Onoja 3195, that will also be in the description, or that'll probably be popping on the screen, or that'll also be in my bio. You can send me a DM and let's go into your channel together. This is where I personally come into your channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what we can minus, what we can add, for us to be able to have what successful YouTube channel. And trust me, you're not going to regret. Like, comment, share, and lastly, do not forget to share. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. I think I've said that countless times. And yes, with no further ado, I do add like I say in my videos. I'm going to be saying bye and I'll see you guys in my next one. How to grow on YouTube, part 1. A step part 2 very soon.